My video tutorial will provide you with help to remove the ransomware called Zput. And this ransomware, by the way, is from the DJVU ransomware family. Well, my video is solely for the educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting the ransomware. I got the sample of this ransomware on the VirusTotal database. Before the ransomware attack, users are able to open all their files without any troubles, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. However, regretfully, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities, this particular ransomware may be very easily injected into the computer, and so very soon users realize that they can no longer access their data. This ransomware encrypts the files and damages them, essentially, so it's not possible to use the files anymore. The ransomware then tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file recovery. Nevertheless, paying the ransom is obviously not a good idea, because this does not guarantee the file recovery, and if you pay the ransom, you may waste your money. Don't pay it. I recommend you to remove this ransomware with the help of reliable antivirus. I recommend you to use Cleaner Antivirus for this purpose. Get Combo Cleaner on the page combocleaner.com. So download the application, install the software, and then once it is successfully installed, start researching your computer. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode. Only quick scan option is available. Click on this Start Scan button and then the scanning will begin. But most likely the program will first of all update its anti-malware database, so don't skip this very important step. And then at the end of this scanning, you will see the summary of the threats. You will be able to know their locations on your system. Keep in mind that Combo Cleaner's anti-ransomware does not decrypt files. It helps to remove the ransomware and to protect the data, but it does not decrypt files. And there is no any other antivirus which would be able to decrypt these files. Speaking about file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how to possibly recover your data.